now is Ik Do Ding Ja Punch. Oh man. Oh yeah. A black man speaking Urdu. Woo! Ik Do Ding Ja Punch. Alhamdulillah, man. We are all connected, man. We need each other, all of us. So pay attention to the differences that Allah has given us, and let's become diversified. I like to say, this side is my Somali, this side is my Pakistani. I got my Arab right here. All right, so alhamdulillah, all of us, we are here. We like to entertain, but we don't entertain just for fun, okay? We entertain to inspire, and we hope that Allah will continue to bless us to use our gift and our talent to benefit mankind. So alhamdulillah, we are here because we have Muslims that are suffering. We have people that are suffering. Many women